In this video, get an advanced solution to export iPhone contacts to CSV with SysTools vCard Viewer Pro. Main features: supports batch conversion of iPhone VCF files to Google and Yahoo CSV format. Exports both single and multiple VCF contacts to CSV format. Option to split large VCF and merge multiple VCF files. Support to convert VCF to CSV and other file formats. Now let's start the process. Go to Google and enter SysTools VCF Viewer Pro. Click on the link shown on your screen and click on the download button. Then install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. Add file for browsing single file. Panel open and select your file, then hit on open button. And add a folder to browse multiple VCF files. Panel open. Select the folder, then hit OK. On the left side of the panel, you see the selected folder. And on the parallel side, data appears of selected folder. Exactly down below, you can see the whole details of selected contact. Now select the contact which you need to export. Export selected for selective conversion, and export option for batch conversion. Panel open. With the same interface as the software, on the right side, you see the options of export. PST, split vCard, merge vCard, CSV, Google CSV, Yahoo CSV. Select CSV format. Click on the Browse button for destination. Panel open. Here you can select the folder or create a new folder, with Make New Folder options. And hit OK. Contacts start exporting. Tools generate report of the total number of contacts. You can save it with Save button. Here are the complete report.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.